Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a toilet paper roll for your American Girl doll. And what you're going to need for this project is a stapler, and this one's tiny. It doesn't really matter. A little toilet paper roll. It could be cut. This is how mine come. Yeah, scissors and some real toilet paper. So first what you're going to do is you're going to cut it this way like that so it could open and make sure it still bends. So then you cut a little piece off like that. And flatten it out and roll it like in a circle this way. Or you can use tape. I think I'm going to use tape because this is getting pretty complicated. Clear tape would be the best, I think. So do that a few times around the table. I'm going to do that one more time. So this is basically just making a toilet paper roll out of your own toilet paper roll. So I did that all the way around. Now get a piece of toilet paper like that and cut it. To where you can, and you're also gonna need a pen. Sorry, Ruby. I was fixing the pen. Poor thing. I scared my dog. So draw a line of where it is and cut on that line. And then do the roll. Basically just roll it on. And if you want, you could just tape that right on. Wow, that's way too big. But I really do not want to waste this. So I'll put it right there. Trying to get this in the right spot. So then, you know how it's separated, so you want to do the toilet paper. So that's how you make a toilet paper roll for your American Girl doll.